How to withdraw from Binance to Skrill. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can withdraw some money or tokens from Binance to Skrill. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget you're going to be able to find the website and sign up links for both Binance and Skrill.com. So this is pretty simple. First of all, I recommend you to convert the token or the money you want to sell to USDT because it's going to be easier to find a person in the P2P option and section if you want to sell the USDT. So first of all, I recommend you to go in the upper part of your screen into trade, into the convert tool, and there you're gonna select the token you want to convert. Let's suppose it's Ethereum by now, and please convert it into USDT. It's gonna be really simple, okay? This is zero fees, this is a guaranteed price, and that's how you're gonna be able to convert it. You can do it into the market price or limit price if you want it, okay? Oh, sorry, I get into a tutorial. Now, once you have converted your tokens, you must go into trade again, into the P2P tool, and there we're gonna be interested in selling our USDT. So as you can see here, you have the advertiser who has a different number of orders, a percentage of completion, the price that is going to be selling you this. I selected the euro, but let's suppose it's a USD because we're selling USDT, okay, to the USD. And here in the payment, we have different options. So they're going to be paying us through WeChat or Alipay. So you can scroll down and see different pages in order to see whether they're going to give you your money, or you can also select here this filter, all payments, and write Skrill. Okay, so these are going to be the people that are going to send you money through Skrill if you pay or you sell, your USDT. So I recommend you obviously to get the best price, but also to check the orders of that person and the percentage of completion, because sometimes it is better to agree with the person with a lower price but with better positions in its market, okay? And that's how it works. Once you have selected that person, that P2P, you're going to click on sell USDT. You're going to write the amount of what you want to sell, and you will see how you will receive. So let's suppose this is the trade, the payment method. So you must select Skrill Money Brokers and sell USDT. And that's how it works. That's how you can withdraw from Binance to Skrill. Thanks for watching.